Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use copy and paste the function on your Microsoft Surface X Pro. So in this case I'll be moving these two apps and copying them, and to do this we'll need to select them. So drag your finger onto the screen to create a window and select both of the apps. Then hold your finger onto one of the app till this square shows up, and now move them somewhere on the screen. Let go and click on copy here. And here we just created a copy of the same app icons. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.